Right now, the Bitcoin price in the 4-hourly time frame has just recently broken out of this downsloping trend line, and in this video, I'll explain exactly what this means for the Bitcoin price in the shorter 4-hourly time frame and in the longer daily time frame, while also revealing to you guys my current expectations and also key levels to look out for. So before we begin, if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe in today's video, and let us begin the analysis for Bitcoin BTC. Starting off in the 4-hourly time frame. So for the past few days, we saw the Bitcoin price have this decent move to the upside as a result of this order block right here, sitting at around $24.8 thousand. And if we do move into the daily time frame, a couple of videos ago for the Bitcoin price, I actually mentioned that this order block, I'm expecting this order block to support the Bitcoin price if we do ever see the Bitcoin price touch $24.8 thousand. So I said if more bad news comes out, I'm expecting this order block to support the price, and we basically saw the Bitcoin price right here in the daily time frame have a reaction to this level. So this order block is acting pretty well. So let's move back in the 4-hourly time frame, and I have some big news for you guys because just recently the Bitcoin price has broken out of this downsloping trend line, which, keep in mind, this has been acting as a resistance since April of 2023. We have been in this downtrend because of this trend line again acting as a resistance. So whenever we do have a rally towards the upside, this trend line rejects the price and we do continue moving to the downside for the Bitcoin price. So for the longest time, the channel, or for a couple of videos ago, I mentioned that it is very, very essential for the Bitcoin price to basically have a break above this trend line in order for me to flip bullish and expect higher prices. And right now we are basically seeing Bitcoin have a break above it. So right now, let's just be patient because again, it's still too early to confirm that this could be the trend reversal. However, we have also noticed that days ago, the Bitcoin price has formed in the 4-hourly time frame a bullish divergence right here. Let me show it to you guys. Days ago, yeah, the Bitcoin price has formed this bullish divergence, which is also an indicator or a signal that we could be potentially in a trend reversal, because again, the RSI is showing strength and is gaining momentum, so keep an eye on that one. But right now, what am I expecting? So right now, I just have a warning for you guys because if you do move in the daily time frame, the 100 moving average is acting as resistance, and we are going to sooner approach this level. If indeed this was the bottom right here for this short-term pullback, it is inevitable that for the next few days, the Bitcoin price could approach this 100 moving average, and this could act as a resistance. So just be aware of this because previously, this 100 moving average has acted strongly. If we do move back to Bitcoin's price history, it has acted as strong resistance right here a couple of times. As you guys can see, resistance, resistance, resistance. And right after that, we saw drastic moves to the downside. And then the moment we broke above it and flipped it to support, you guys can see it acted as strong support right here. And then we saw this huge move or rally towards the upside. So if indeed, or if Bitcoin has finally formed the bottom right here, let's say the bottom was here, and now we are starting a new uptrend, I am just warning you guys to beware of the 100 moving average, which is currently sitting at around $27.7 thousand. It's going to move up for the next few days, I guess. But just be aware of this because again, once you do touch this level, it could act as strong resistance, and we could see basically a potential rejection. But hopefully, if we do see a break above this 100 moving average, then that is when I can say that indeed we are in a new uptrend. So for now, I'm staying neutral because again, there's a chance that this break above the trend line could be a fake out like we did previously right here. There were times when Bitcoin has broken above this trend line right here, but it was just a wick and we dumped back to the downside. And also just be aware that we still live in uncertain times. The SEC is still going after the entire crypto industry. It's attacking Binance and Coinbase, so more FUD can come out in the next few days, sending the entire crypto market down. So be aware of that. But right now, this is looking promising for the Bitcoin price, but hopefully, or I'm awaiting the moment that we're going to see a break above this 100 moving average and flip to support. And once we do, that's when we can expect higher prices for the Bitcoin price. And hopefully we'll see Bitcoin break the swing high right here at around $31.1 thousand. So that's essentially the quick update and the key levels you guys should watch out for. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, then don't forget to sign up and buy a bit right now using my affiliate link, and you guys can get up to $30,000 in bonus as well as 0 fees. This is for experienced traders only, and don't forget to join my Discord server. The link is in the description as well.